Sea animals. Hi, Mother Shark. Look at the baby shark beside Mommy. Did you know that shark skin feels similar to a sandpaper? Wow! Look at you, octopus. You have 3 hearts and 9 brains with blue blood. They eat their arms when they're born. They have 8 tentacles. Hi there! Seal. A seal's whiskers can help them find food. The whiskers are super sensitive and can detect even the smallest movements in the water. Look! You're walking sideways! Crab. They are called spiders of the sea. They have 10 legs that are called decapods that can bend at joints. Hi, cute seahorse. They have no teeth and stomach and prefer to swim in pairs with their tails linked together. Hello! Squid have 8 arms and only the tentacles have suckers. They have 3 hearts and a beak. Whale. Whales are the largest animals to have ever lived, even larger than any dinosaur. Shrimp. Hi there. The average shrimp has 10 legs. Hello, fish. Most fish have taste buds all over their body. Did you know that most lipsticks contain fish scales? Amazing, right? Turtles. Did you know that turtles can hold their breath for 5 hours underwater? You're so spiky! Sea urchin. The mouth of the sea urchin contains 5 teeth that are really sharp. They can actually make a hole in a rock. Starfish. They have no brain and no blood. They use filtered sea water to pump nutrients through their nervous system. Look at you, jellyfish. Did you know that they don't have a heart, lungs, or brain? Hi, Mr. Stingray. Their long tails usually have a spine and a venom. Hi, dolphin. Swim! Swim! Dolphin. 2 facts about dolphins. 1. Dolphins' eyes can move separately from each other. 2. They have 2 stomachs. The first one stores the food and the second is where digestion takes place. Bye-bye, sea animals! Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to Learning Mood Kids. See you next time.